Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Mind Sensor. Hope you are fine. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a USB pen drive or memory card very easily. I will show you step by step slowly so that you can understand. Let's get started. I'm going to show you two methods in this video. Listen carefully when you can use these methods. Problem 1. When your pen drive is detected by computer but doesn't open or shows error. When it shows your disk or drive is corrupted. When it shows write protected message. When it does not show full space or show low space, like your pen drive is 8 GB but it shows only 120 MB. When it needs to format but Windows cannot format it normally. You can also try these methods, though I cannot mention your problem here exactly because there can be a lot of problem with your pen drive and memory card, but the methods works on 99% cases of pen drive or memory card. So I think after trying these methods you will be successful to repair your pen drive. This is my pen drive. After connecting to my computer, this notification appears. You need to format the disk in drive before you can use it. But after clicking on format disk, the notification appears Windows was unable to complete the format and Windows cannot format, and here it shows no space of the pen drive. So let's repair it. Method 1. At first go to search box and write command prompt and open it, or press Windows key plus R and write CMD in the box and press enter. You can see some commands on screen. You can copy them from the description of this video. Copy the first command, paste here and press enter. Follow the same steps for the second command. You will see your drives you have in your computer. Notice carefully what drive is your pen drive or memory card. Otherwise, you may format and fall in trouble with your important drive. So be careful to write the disk now. Here my pen drive is in disk 3. Here it shows the space of my pen drive also, so I have to write select disk 3 as my pen drive is in disk 3. Write the correct disk now carefully please. After pressing enter, your disk will be selected. Now copy and paste the fourth command. Press enter. Now write select partition and press enter. Copy the fifth command, paste and hit enter. Formatting will start. Wait until it ends to 100%. It may take 15 to 40 minutes. After being completed, you will see the message Diskpart successfully formatted the volume. So method 1 done. Method 2, it is a little bit time saving than method 1. To start, press Windows key and R and write CMD in the box and press enter. You can see some commands on screen. You can copy them from the description of this video also. Now copy the first command, paste here and press enter. Follow the same steps for the second command. Now write select disk node. Be careful while writing the disk node. Now hit enter. Your disk will be selected. Now do the third command. You will see a message Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. But you cannot open it here. It needs a final touch. Go to search box if Windows 10 and write disk management, or go to my computer if Windows 7 and right click open disk management. From the list of drives, go to the disk of your pen drive or memory card. Right click on it, then click on new volume, then next, 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 done. Now full space of the pen drive is seen. Hope you have loved the video. If this video helps you, please like the video and comment whether you have been successful to repair your pen drive or memory card. If you have been successful, it will be a great pleasure for me, so please comment. You can also comment if you feel any difficulty or want any video on any specific topic. I will reply instantly. Please subscribe my channel. I need your support. Thank you for watching. See you again in another video. Tata.